idea, so before you get a spring on. The pin goes in that slot.
What are you doing? Go to work. You're sitting.
I'm supervising.
I am.
That's my job, but if I'm going elbow deep and shit, so are you.
So this is our toilet, and we have so much fun, huh, Marta?
Oh dear God.
Yep.
Gosh.
Bend over and top.
Michael.
What?
Give me a fucking washer. Give me a washer.
Fucking.
Oh man, fuck me. Kevin, you're gonna get hosed down before you go anywhere.
Well, you do it.
Oh, it's very so shit.
Woo! Our part's over, Kevin. We're done.
Where they're going?
Oh, where are you going with my toilet?
This is our toilet.
Just go in the hole.
Oh yeah.
I can't.
Hole like this.
It's too small for us.
Hang on.
Because otherwise it'll get all over the floor.
Alright, give me. Because that's not
Oh, we have a lot of space.
I couldn't get it on because somebody cut the tip off. Kevin.
Kevin.
Oh, you didn't
Someone. Kevin.
Kevin, it's always your fault.
Yeah.
Get me another.
See.
Czy to będzie tak burczało za...
All night.
What about this noise? I can't sleep. What about the noise?
What noise?
This, come.
There.
That'll go away. That'll go away.
I want to sleep in peace. Like that. Do you hear? Can you hear?
You videotaping me?
Oh. Calm down, calm
No,
down.
I'm just... That's my concentration phase.
Turn on the light.
What noise? That noise?
Wait.
Woo! Oh, this guy.
yeah.
Hi,
Oh,
Ryan. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I already did.
No, again.
But you're doing a video?
Yeah?
What the hell? Videos?
Oh, come on! It's not a porno video. I mean, who knows?
It could be.
It could be. Homemade. Fantastic.
No.
Great job, boys.
Hey, only at Camp Tioga.
Yeah.
What is that noise?
I don't know, water?
Just the water.
Yeah.
But it's scaring me. I can't sleep here, you know, with that
Well, we'll
noise.
put the toilet back on maybe.
If you're lucky.
Maybe by the end of summer.
Thank you very much.
I need a drink.
Us too. Can you take us somewhere you would like to go?
Like drinking?
Yeah, why not?
No.
Why not? Why not, Kevin?
Well, Kevin can't go because he's 12.
Oh!
For you.
Alright, how about that zip tie? I'm going home and I'm getting fucking smashed.
What's Tom doing tonight?
Czekaj, ja wejdę do środka. Stań tutaj koło mnie.
Dobra, ja będę looking for someone.
Nie, wystarczy, że będę po prostu taką.
I got wood.
Yeah.
I'm all fucked up. Yeah, I will. Don't videotape that.
Yeah,
Americans know.
No, może zapisz, bo ci się może skasować czy coś w tym stylu. Wiesz, czasami tak jest, że ma do jakiegoś miejsca nagrywa i...
He's a plumber, yeah? I'm gonna be a plumber. You'll be a plumber
No,
guy?
you're not.
My phone is
Plumber guy.
Kevin, why don't you want to drink with us?
Why don't I?
He's 12.
Fuck it, I'll have a bonfire.
Hell yeah.
Bonfire.
Yeah, we'll have a fire.
But not here, outside the camp.
Yeah, no shit.
After job. After work. Okay, we just have to be back until 12.
So be back at 12?
Yeah, like princess, you know.
Like princess.
This is a prison, you know.
Cinderella.
I am going to a
Cinderella.
party tonight.
You go to the party tonight?
Yeah.
Oh.
In Uniondale. Not too far from here.
But it's possible to be back here until 12?
Yeah, I'll leave before 12. I
Oh,
work
Rabbit,
next
look
morning.
at them. Oh, so
We want to go with you, you know.
Yeah, you want to come?
Sure?
Yeah.
Can we?
Seriously. You want to go?
I don't know. Only
Oh, now
three?
you're going to back down?
We want to go with you.
You're welcome.
Chcecie iść?
Yeah. And he just rubbing shit all over his
Loves it.
That's gotta go in the slot.
Dobra, idziemy po tą kartę, Kasia?
I'm a fucking
Dobra, my idziemy po moją kartę.
vodka.